Hello everyone. If you want to create a multi-site of WordPress in the same local host, for example, say I have one, two, three, four sites in the same local host in WordPress. So it's easy simple that you have to do. I'm going to show you now, and I will leave the link of WordPress.org in the description down. So first things we will get WordPress zip file .org here. We'll keep it download for now, and we will go here. Uh, we'll press on new, okay, new, and we will create our database project name. For example, I have WordPress 123 and here 0. I'm going to make it WordPress 4, WordPress 4, and we'll change this one to Latin here, Latin Swedish. Okay, I'm going to create it right now. WordPress. Okay, when I create it here, I will go to the C file on XMAP or XAMPP. Enter the file here. htdocs. See, I have here WordPress 2 and 3. I'm going to create the file for the new WordPress site I created. WordPress 4. WordPress 4. I'll open this file and check my download. I have already downloaded this one. I'm going to open this one and transfer. Sorry, I'm going to transfer this zip file here inside WordPress 4 file that we are created and extract the files here. I'll just wait a second for it. Okay, after we finish extracting, we'll delete the zip file, delete it, and cut this one. Paste it here. We'll delete this file, WordPress. So here's the important things we will do. We'll make a copy file of the webconfig sample. Sorry, we'll paste it here. The same. We'll just rename it to backup. Backup. We'll rename this one config wp config sample to wp config.php only. We will enter this file with a txt or VS Code. Right now, and let's check this one here. The name here, the name of the database for WordPress. We'll change this name on the WordPress we created. I created WordPress 4. Uh, you check it here that where what the table name you created, what the database name I mean. Sorry, WordPress 4. If you write any name, just make the name here, and the username will just make it good. We'll keep the database password here blank. So these only three things we have to change it: the database password and the username and the database for WordPress. All is good. Control C, save it. Okay. Uh, I'm sorry. Uh, now here we'll write localhost first slash the name of my database of WordPress 4. Created WordPress 4, and I get it from here, from this database I just created, and enter. So now I have to. So now I'm beginning to install my WordPress site, the new one, and that's all. Thank you.